Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the building blocks. Open Explorer and Properties, then add a remote event to replicated storage so both server and client can reference it. Create a script in Server Script Service for server logic and a local script in Starter Player scripts for client triggers. Once done, name objects clearly to avoid confusion. Make sure to reference replicated storage via Game Get Service, replicated storage, and cache the remote event in a variable. This prevents lookup errors and keeps your code tidy and fast. Next, wire the communication. In the local script, call remote event, fire server payload when the player acts. On the server script, connect remote event. On server event, connect function player payload. To receive it, validate the payload, check types, ranges, and player permissions because the server must enforce rules. After processing, send a response with remote event, fire client player, result, or fire all clients for broadcast updates. Once this round trip is consistent, test with multiple players to confirm synchronization and latency behavior. Finally, finalize by cleaning up handlers and securing events. Avoid long blocking operations in on-server event and use pcall where needed. Once done, profile with the developer console to spot slow handlers and check memory. Make sure to disconnect connections when not needed to prevent leaks. If things go wrong, first verify object paths and that scripts run in the correct context. Many issues come from nil remote event references or client-server timing. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the error with detailed prints to isolate the failing step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.